let's hear about Cuck Tower.
I've also been trolling people online, I guess. I'm 40 years old. This is what I do. A socialist programmer contacted me. It's not true. It's not even socialist. A programmer contacted me. He's not. And he said, "Hey, Micon, can I help you extract shit coins or something? Like, I need a job." And I'm like, okay. And I send him a picture of a local tower, and I say, "Would you be interested to move to the Caribbean and work in a tower?" And it's like a legit tower.
It's huge.
It's a massive stone structure. It was built in the 1700s. Guy built an apartment on it like 60 years ago on the top. And it's this little tower. And I send him the tower. And he says, "I thought you said I could work remotely, but I'm interested. What's the idea?" And I was a little too high. I was a little high, and it caught me at a weird time. And I just replied with this insane story that I said, "This is the Cuck Tower, a place where you can send your wife to get gangbanged and live streamed on the internet in a premium sex site, $99.99 a month. And we're looking for a networking admin because, we got microwave internet. We have, we have fiber lines coming into the Cuck Tower. You just have to, you have to keep it all running." He's like, "What, is this serious? I thought it was cryptocurrency." And I told him we were ICOing at 3 million and that, like, if you wanted to perform, we could always have the angle where, like, even the network admin fucked your wife, dude. Like, we got the networking guy in here, motherfucker. This is Cuck Tower, bitch. Like, don't send your wife here unless you want the whole train run. So I was just, I was too high. I was, having too much fun. And to be fair, I think I actually am going to hire him. Like, not for that idea. But I don't think it's as funny. I think we should cut the Cuck Tower part out of this. But I know you're not going to. I know you're too lazy to edit. No way you're editing any of this bullshit.
This is gold.
It's not even funny to other people. I don't even know if that's going to be funny to other people.
I think it will. I think it was.
I don't think it's
when I woke up to that message, I just rolled over and I was like, I nearly fell off the bed. I read that.
I think it's funnier as a screenshot. It's not even funny as a story live. It has to be like, it's over text, with pictures.
Well, the bear market really is it's a thing. But I guess I think that probably rounds it up. I think we covered the main thing from this week. But
it's awful.
I'm crying. I'm sorry.
I was working on personal branding and things. I'm like, I'm going to improve my image. That's what I'm going to do after I get done playing Mario Party.
Cuck Tower is so close to my heart. I think we have pretty much decided we're going to do a special episode on Cuck Tower.
Watch this space. There will be a Shitcoin TV episode from there very soon. But on
doing great stuff, you guys. Great stuff from shitcoin.com.
Micon, I tell you all the time, but as I said, I love you, man.
I love you too, Andreas. I miss you.